Presenting a pre-owned 2014 BMW. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include cold weather package, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.